Did that gift make him cry? That was the question my family asked each other after dropping off our student following our Christmas Eve gift exchange. Since I'd been sitting next to Thabiso in the restaurant, I hadn't seen his face as he opened his gift, a gift voucher to a bookstore. Later that night, he posted on Facebook, "When a person gifts you a book to read, they want to free yourself from normality to being extraordinary. Out of all the Christmas gifts I've received, this one stands out. This actually made me cry." I'm from a family where we kids were caught with a book and a flashlight under the covers long past the time we should have been asleep. One year, my brother and I challenged each other to read a book a day for the entire year. Now, I listen to audiobooks in the car every day. I always have the next book on reserve at the library. I'm a banker. At work, I had a shelf full of financial literacy books. It occurred to me that Thabiso might like them. He posted again, "I'm taking my mind to the next level. The man who doesn't read has no advantage over the man who can't read. I guess the man who does has the advantage over everyone." As we spent more time together, I continued to say how important I consider reading fiction is. We went to the Franklin Institute to see an exhibit of terracotta warriors. I explained how I had first read about terracotta warriors in a mystery book called Mrs. Polifax on the China Station. Thabiso and I went to the bookstore soon after Christmas. He chose books with very serious topics, all directed to help him achieve future success. I told him how I use the library constantly, and he said he did not have access to a library until he was in college. Our community library allows foreign students a library card. All Thabiso had to do was produce his passport and school ID, and he was issued a card. At the library, I explained again my conviction that reading fiction is important. For me, I'd choose fiction first. Thabiso was skeptical, but agreed to humor me. He took out 2 books, and one was fiction. He was flying to a conference where he would have time to read on the plane. When I saw his next Facebook post, "It's going to be a long flight. This will keep me company," it almost made me cry.